Today I want to walk you through some changes that have taken place when it comes to wireless networking. But first, let's discuss what is a wireless network and how it works. First, you have your internet service provider sending you the internet through a pipeline. It could be DSL, it could be from a cable, but ultimately it comes into your home and it will connect to a modem. That modem is what gives your computer the internet. Now, since you have more than one device that you're going to want to use the internet with, you'll need a router. Now, routers share that internet signal to multiple devices. Now, that wireless router takes the signal from the modem, converts it to radio waves, and then that transmits it through the antennas. It's kind of like your phone. Now, a device like a laptop or a tablet that's wireless will grab that radio signal, convert that back into the computer language, and then you have access to the internet. Now, today's users have changed as compared to a few years ago. Now we have a few different types of internet users. We have somebody that's considered heavy usage. They're streaming HD movies. They're doing gaming. We have a medium user, somebody that's just streaming movies, maybe downloading some music. And then we have our light users, somebody that's just web surfing, just checking email, or maybe just on social media. Which category do you fit into? Where do your customers fit? Now, non-AC wireless technology, like that wireless N technology from a few years ago, that wasn't really designed to handle the internet and what we're doing today. It wasn't really designed to handle streaming devices or even really play games. That bandwidth is a little bit smaller, and it can actually lead to buffering, maybe some lag. You've probably noticed it yourself, unless you've already upgraded to wireless AC technology. Now, there are 4 generations of Wi-Fi protocols today. AC is the latest technology, and it's replaced GNN. Now, a majority of devices already shipping today are already AC wireless. Now, for your customers to be able to take advantage of that, they will need an AC router in their home. The new AC wireless technology offers 2 different waves, or channels, or bands. There's a 5 gigahertz channel and a 2.4 gigahertz channel. The Wi-Fi from a router is a wave. Now, the bigger the wave, the more data it can carry, but it is going to travel a little bit shorter distance. It's kind of like the new 5 gigahertz channel. It's designed to carry HD movies and gaming data because it's a bigger wave and it can hold a lot more information. Now, the 2.4 gigahertz channel is a shorter wave. It can travel a little bit further, but it's good for emails, web surfing, things like social media. But both of these waves or bands are available in the new wireless AC networking products that you guys already carry. Now, what is dual band? Now, having those 2 channels, that is dual band, and it's really important for the way we use the internet today. We put our high bandwidth devices or applications on the 5 gigahertz band, and we put our other devices on the 2.4 gigahertz band. That 5 gigahertz channel has a bigger lane, and it's ideal for streaming and for gaming. Now, when you look at a router, the packaging is going to tell you the speed. For example, if you see an AC 1900, that means it's an AC router that can handle up to 1900 megabits per second total speed. The faster the speed, the further that signal can travel. It's like a car traveling at 100 miles per hour. If you take your foot off the gas, how far is that car going to travel? Now, we take that same car 300 miles per hour, we take our foot off the gas. Is it going to travel further? Yes, of course it is. You're right. Now, add obstacles in the path of that car. A brick wall, drywall, a wood wall, things like that. What's going to happen is when that wireless signal hits that first wall or that first obstacle, it's going to slow down because part of that signal is being absorbed. It's the same thing that's happening to your wireless signal. Now, so instead of just letting our customers grab a router because it's a low price point, let's make sure we ask a couple of questions first. 1, how are you using the internet? Are you streaming movies? Do you have online gamers in the house? Second question we want to ask is how many devices are connecting to your router? Right? If they're streaming and if they're gaming, we're already going to want to talk about the AC wireless technology. If they have more than 5 or 6 devices, we're going to want to start talking about the AC wireless technology because it can handle all of that. It's going to be able to do what they're looking for it to do. But bottom line is if they're streaming, if they're gaming, again, focus on the AC technology. Now there's a lot of additional features in the Linksys line of routers. Things like smart Wi-Fi, make sure you look for that. Gigabit, Ethernet ports, you have USB, you have eSATA ports. So feel free to grab a router from the shelf, take a look at it, look at the packaging, it'll explain what all the features are. What features do you want? What features do you need? The odds are your customers are going to have the same needs and they're going to have the same demands. It's going to be a lot easier for you to be able to relate to your customers. I appreciate the time and I look forward to seeing you soon.